The thyroid produces hormones that regulate the body's every metabolism and organ function. But when the thyroid starts to produce too much or too little thyroid hormone than is needed, it can cause fatal damage to the body. Oriental medicine is now offering an effective treatment method for this possibly dangerous and easily recurrent disease. In some cases of health conditions, patients do not show obvious symptoms and thus unknowingly let the disease progress. This patient let several months pass, doing nothing about her thyroid disorder, though she had fevers and fatigue frequently. She didn't come to see a doctor until those symptoms got worse.
몸에서 열이 많이 나고
예.
땀도 많이 흘리거든요.
네.
조금만 움직여도 많이 필요하고요.
소변 같은 건
소변도 자주 보는 편이에요.
자주
밤에
보시고요.
일어날 때도 밤에 일어나서 보기도 하고요.
예, 뭐 소화되는데 뭐 배고픔을 많이 느낀다든지 그러진 않으세요?
예, 그러니까 먹어도 금방 배가 고프거든요.
예.
This patient is showing typical symptoms of thyroid failure. The thyroid is an endocrine gland which produces thyroid hormones. Thyroid disorder occurs when the thyroid fails to produce those essential hormones properly. It has various kinds of signs and symptoms. In Dong-ui Bogam, an ancient Korean medical book, thyroid disorders are referred to as yongchu. It observes that thyroid failure often occurs in people with bad blood circulation and too many concerns, so the disease can be cured by relaxing and lowering the internal body heat. Once primary diagnosis is confirmed, an iris test is carried out for a more accurate diagnosis. The iris test is a newly developed diagnostic method in Oriental medicine, which is designed to detect disease possibilities through examining the eyes. Eyes have reflex zones corresponding to each body part and organ. People with thyroid disorders show a circular mark around the right edge of the eyeball, which is a reflex zone of the thyroid. As expected, this patient, suspected of having a thyroid disorder, has shown a clear circular mark around the thyroid reflex zone. Oriental medicine employs a comprehensive treatment method that is intended to improve the internal bodily environment and, at the same time, deal with external symptoms. Acupuncture therapy comprises an important part of Oriental medical thyroid treatment. It is mostly focused on restoring cold and wet energy in the body, and also helps relieve bad feelings by removing bad qi from the body, and it restores the weakened and vital energy. Because patients with thyroid failure tend to have interior head syndrome, profuse sweating, eye irritation, and fast heartbeat rate.
갑상선에서 나타나는 여러 가지 증상은 한방적으로 볼 때 일단 열과 화로 표현되는 증상들로 많이 나타납니다. 단적으로 환자 본인이 호소하는 증상도 열감, 그다음에 열기가 위로 뜨는 증상, 그다음에 눈이 충혈되고 몸이 더워져서 땀이 많이 나는 그런 증상들을 많이 호소하거든요. 그런 거라든지 맥 속도가 좀 빠르다든지 이런 것들이 전형적인 열과 화의 증상에 해당합니다.
This patient is complaining of interior heat syndrome and severe fatigue. And despite an increased appetite, he started to seriously lose weight. Those are all typical symptoms of thyroid failure.
제가 심할 때는요, 항상 피곤한데요. 쉬려고 침대에 누워도 피곤하고, 자도 피곤하고, 그리고 제가 심장 소리가 온 방 안에 다 들렸었어요. 그리고 어떨 때는 걸으면 3분만 걸어도 막 숨이 차고 막 눈도 잘 안 보이고 막 온갖 막 신경도 많이 쓰이고 그러더라고요.
그럽니다. 지금보다 물론 제가 소화기
There are a host of possible signs and symptoms resulting from a malfunctioning thyroid. Some of them are seemingly positive ones, such as an improved appetite. Therefore, many patients are not aware that there's something wrong with their body.
예.
Thyroid disorders often remain undiagnosed and untreated for years because of those reasons. But there are still noticeable signs, such as a swollen neck and protruding eyes. So extra careful observation is required.
몰랐죠. 난 좋은 현상인 줄 알았죠. 밥을 많이 먹고 이게 우리나라 사람들은 그러잖아요. 밥 잘 먹고 활동 잘하면 아우 이게 좋은가 보다, 건강하고 좋은가 보다. 좋은 현상인 줄 알았죠. 그랬더니 몇 개월 흐르니까 눈이 막 튀어나오기 시작하는 거예요. 그래서 이제 아차 이것이 좋은 현상이 아닌가 보다 하고.
Recently, herbal acupuncture has gained a reputation as an efficient cure for thyroid disease. By injecting herb extracts through the meridian system, it helps reduce the internal heat and produce more body fluid, which encourages the body to control the heat more effectively. Along with diverse acupuncture procedures, herbal regimen also consists of an essential part of the treatment. Though sometimes differentiated depending on each patient's symptoms and constitution, most widely used ingredient herbs include marine plants, Scrophularia redex, and dwarf lily turf. Those herbs are good for relaxing the mind, relieving excess heat, and purifying the blood.
약제를 쓰거나 처방을 하는 것은 화를 내리는 성격만 있는 것이 아니라 몸 안에서 진액을 생성하고 수기가 회복할 수 있도록 도움을 주는 치료 방법을 사용합니다. 이런 치료 방법에 실제로 침에서는 폐를 보호해주고 신의 수기를 보호해주는 방법을 쓰게 되고요. 약으로는 하고초나 맹문동, 생지황, 현삼 등의 약재를 써서 열을 내리면서도 간과 신장에 진액, 수기를 보태는 치료를 하게 됩니다.
Thyroid failure is more prevalent among women than men. And, as progressing further, it starts to develop serious external symptoms, such as a swollen neck and protruding eyes, for which Oriental medicine provides an ointment as well. This external use only ointment, made from various kinds of medicinal herbs, has a great effect in relieving the swelling around the neck. In this way, the Oriental medical approach to thyroid disorders involves both internal conditions and their external symptoms.
한방치료를 받으면서 그 심장 박동수 같은 경우도 많이 낮아졌고요. 정상치에 가까워졌고 제가 그 심장 때문에 느껴지는 부담감은 없어졌거든요. 그리고 눈 같은 것도 이렇게 많이 좀 돌출되고 아팠었는데요. 그런 것도 없어졌어요.
Thyroid failure can be a fatal condition accompanied by serious complications if untreated at the right time. Oriental medicine is now playing a crucial role in thyroid disorder treatment, for which accurate diagnosis and reoccurrence prevention is most essential.